Hi everyone, this is Perry T, Artist Relations Manager here at PreSonus Audio. Online video collaborations and live streaming have become powerful ways for musicians to connect with new audiences and loyal fans alike. Our StudioLive mixers make it all come together quick and easy while making you sound great. Going solo doesn't mean you have to go it alone. Let me show you what we mean. When creative inspiration hits me, I want to record my idea down as quickly as possible in its initial raw state. Using an AR-8C mixer and a set of HD9 headphones for monitoring, I began a new drum machine idea on an iPad running the Elastic Drums app into channels 3 and 4 on the mixer. After setting audio input levels and a few minutes on the app, I had a beat that I was satisfied enough with to begin building a song from. Our new PM2 condenser microphone set is great for capturing stereo performances of acoustic instruments. I put them up on a mic stand using the supplied XY mounting bar and connected two XLR-type cables into channels 1 and 2 of the AR-8C mixer, making sure to pan channel 1 to the hard left and channel 2 to the hard right for wide stereo imaging in my headphones. Here's what I came up with on a Martin acoustic guitar during my initial jam along with the drum machine part I had just programmed using our Capture 3 audio recording software. The StudioLive ARc-series III rack mixer has been my go-to USB audio interface for more than a year. And basically, I leave all my instruments connected to its front panel, so whenever creative inspiration hits me, I just fire up Studio One on my laptop and begin recording ideas down. The next step was to import those audio files previously recorded in Capture 3 directly into our Studio One DAW software, simply by double-clicking on the .capture session file. I edited down the acoustic guitar and drum machine tracks into a rough arrangement of a few different song sections and immediately heard a melodic hook. The Roland VP3 vocoder is plugged into channels 7 and 8 on the StudioLive 24R rack mixer. Using our company slogan, "Wherever sound takes you," as a source of lyrical inspiration, this is what I came up with on vocoder. Wherever sound takes you, we'll be there. 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 After tracking that vocoder hook, I could really hear a song starting to crystallize. It was now time to lay down some live drums. I sent the stereo headphones output on my Roland TD27V drums to channels 5 and 6 on the StudioLive 24R mixer. FYI, my audio playback reference in Studio One was a quarter note click track, the drum machine part, acoustic guitar, which now I decided to use only for a bridge section, and a vocoder set to a more developed song arrangement, as you'll notice. Wherever sound takes you, we'll be there. Wherever sound takes you. Now I knew it was time to unleash on the electric guitar to that drum performance. My 91 Gibson Les Paul Special guitar plugs into a Comet K29 amp. The amp's 8-ohm speaker output drives a 2-notes live digital load box for virtual cabinet and miking that feeds channel 1 of the StudioLive 24R. I also split my guitar signal and run a Line 6 HX Stomp and 2-notes CAB pedal into channel 2 of the StudioLive 24R mixer. Those two audio signals are panned 45 degrees apart in Studio One. I don't use any effects, it's just guitar through amps, dry.
Wherever sun takes you, we'll be there. Wherever sun takes you.
By this point in time, I think you can all hear and see where I'm going with this song idea. I plugged my Status King bass directly into channel 11 of the StudioLive 24R.
Wherever sun takes you, we'll be there. Wherever sun takes you.
One of the newest microphones we're making now is the PD70, which is an amazing sounding dynamic mic. In fact, all the spoken word audio you've been hearing so far in this video has been recorded using a PD70 plugged into channel 9 of the StudioLive 24R. I decided to test drive it for a quick vocal verse idea.
Imagine it from your heart and in your mind. Create your reality, then you share it online. Doesn't really matter what it is that you're into, but you gotta be real. Free your mind and the rest will follow. It's time to get your game together. Yeah.
With all these parts recorded, I decided it'd be fun to showcase a final keyboard performance in a live stream setting. Exporting the audio mix into the show page of Studio One, I created two different instrument tracks, one with a Mai Tai and the other using Serum. To trigger these two sounds at the same time, I used my DSi Pro 2 keyboard, sending MIDI via USB to my laptop.
Wherever sun takes you, we'll be there. Wherever sun takes you. Imagine it from your heart and in your mind. Create your reality, then you share it online. Doesn't really matter what it is that you're into, but you gotta be real. Free your mind and the rest will follow. It's time to get your game together. Yeah.
So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Remember, wherever sound takes you, we'll be there.